see what we got here. Feels small. Another foul hook pin one or not, I can't tell. Hopefully I can, oh, yeah, that's a decent little trout. And it did actually bite the hook. You can see that? It did bite the hook. So, very good. I like that. Let's see if we can find another one out there. Oh. Like I say, it's warming up rather exponentially today. Man. That was a nibble. That was a bite. Folks, I think this will probably be the last. I'm going to call it. Wind's getting bad. I apologize for the noise. I have prior engagements, things to do, but I wanted to come out and see if I could make a little short video, catch a few fish, enjoy some of this beautiful Florida snow we're having. I don't understand this, but we have a Florida snow. So. You can see how much is piled up here on the bridge, on the edge of the bridge, and it's still icy and very sleety and sleazy. So, be very careful driving. People in Florida have no idea how to fish. Oh, the big old green DOA laying out here in the middle of the road. Some of these small pinfishes, and here comes somebody else out. So. With that, I bid you a good day. Like I said, just a couple days after it snowed here in North Florida, as you can see, there's still snow on the ground everywhere, accumulations in yards, everywhere. Just thought I'd show you a little more of what was going on in how Florida. Look at the snow. Look at the side of the roofs are covered in snow still. All the shade everywhere. It's still cold here. It's really cold. You can see it, all the houses, the yards. Look at this one. This roof is all covered with snow still. But it was white all the way across the whole yard, everywhere. White everywhere. You can still see on the houses and stuff. Anywhere it was in the shade, you can see accumulation still. The roof, like that roof right there, both of them are still frozen. This roof over here on this house right here is frozen solid. And hopefully, these things will get some heat today.